Okay, so looking at this question here, we've got some groups of coins. Remember, when we look at the time sign, we are thinking that it means groups of. So that's one group, two group, three groups. So it'd be three groups of 1, 2, 3. So it would be 3 times 3. If we counted them, we could either skip counting 3, so 3, 6, 9, or if you aren't too sure about skip counting in 3s, you can just count them one by one. Answer's 9. We have 3 lots of 3. We know that equals 9. Remember, the time sign is the same as groups of or multiplied by. So it'd be 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. Look at this question here. We've got 1, 2, 3 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will have 3 times 5. We can count in 5s, 5, 10, 15. So that's our answer. We have 3 lots of 5. So this can also mean lots of. 3 lots of 5 equals, and we know the answer, 15. We can also say multiplied by. So we've got 3 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 15. Here we have 3 lots of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 lots of 4, or 3 groups of 4. It's hard to count in 4, so we'll count in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We have 3 lots of 4. That equals 12. So then we also know that 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. Here we have 1, 2, 3 lots of, or groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You could either count those in 2s, 2, 4, 6, or 3s, 3, 6. Again, to work out the answer, you could count in 2s, 3s, or 6s. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Now, again, if you were working out these questions yourself, you could always put the answer at the bottom of each of these boxes. So here I would have underneath 6, here would be 8, 10, 12, so 12, 14, 16, 18. And that would just help you to remember where you are, especially when you get to when you're using bigger numbers, so you don't forget where you are. So the answer is 18. We've got 3 lots of 6, which equals 18, and 3 multiplied by 6 equals 18. So this sign here can mean lots of, multiplied by, groups of, times. It all means the same. So here we have a table. We have a picture. So we have 5. Well, 3 groups of 5. So multiplication is 3 times 5. So the sentence is 3 lots of 5 is equal to 15. Here we have 1, 2, 3 groups of 4. We already have the sentence, 3 lots of 4 is equal to 12. All we have to do is think about, right, 3 lots of, that means that it's 3 times 4. Here we have 2 groups of 5, 2 groups of 5, or 2 lots of 5. 2 lots of 5. Remember, we can use our skip counter to help us work out the answer. 5, 10. So we have the sentence 2 lots of 10 is equal to 20. 2 lots of 10. We've got 2 groups of 10, 2 lots of 10, so it's 2 times 10. Finally, we've got 3 lots of 6, so it'll be 3 lots of 6 is equal to 18. 3 lots of 6, it's hard to know your 6 times tables. You can skip counting 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, or you can do your 3s, as long as you know that it's equal to 18. Finally, we have some reasoning questions. It says 5 times 3 is the same as 5 lots of 3. True or false? Explain your answer. Now remember, when looking at this sign, it can mean times, groups of, multiplied by, or lots of. So 5 times 3 is the same as 5 lots of 3 because this sign means lots of. It's true. 5 times 3 is the same as 5 lots of 3 or 3 5s. 5 times 3 equals 15 and 5 lots of 3 equals 15, so it has the same answer as well. Please can you have a go at the questions